ProPresenter has always given you control over how your text looks, but advanced text fills take that a step further. Instead of just choosing a color for your text, you can now fill it with media, cut it out of a shape to reveal what's behind it, or blend it into the background in ways that used to require a completely separate application. In this video, I'm going to walk through each of the text fill options available in ProPresenter and show you what they look like in a real-world context. To access text fill options, right-click a slide and choose Edit Slide. Select your text element and click where it says Text Color. You'll notice a few options here that go well beyond a standard color picker. Let's go through each one. The first option is Color. This is the standard fill you've always had. Pick a solid color and that's what fills your text. The second option is Gradient. This lets you blend between two colors across the text. Useful when you want a subtle depth effect rather than a flat fill. The third option is where things get interesting. Text Cutout. Text Cutout removes the fill from inside the text entirely. What's left is just the shape of the letters in your object, and whatever is on the background shows through them. So if your background is a white slide, the text appears white, but it's actually transparent, revealing the background behind it. This is great for high-impact title moments. The fourth option is Media Fill. This lets you select a video or image file and use it as the fill source for your text. So instead of the text being a solid color, it's playing a video, contained within the shape of the letters themselves. For this to read well on screen, use media with strong contrast and bright colors. Subtle footage can sometimes get lost, especially at a distance. Once you've selected Media Fill, you can take it further using the inspector. Apply filters and effects to your media to customize the look even further. Or use additional options like Color Invert, which flips the colors of the media inside the text, creating a negative style look. You can also apply Background Blur, which blurs the background layers behind the text. This gives you two additional controls: saturation and blur amount. Pulling saturation down desaturates the fill toward grayscale. Pushing it up makes the colors more vivid. The blur slider controls how sharp or soft the fill appears, anywhere from crisp and clear to fully blurred. These can be combined however you'd like, and mixing them with the background effects introduced in recent versions of ProPresenter opens up a lot of creative options. Advanced text fills aren't something you'll necessarily use every week, but for special moments like Christmas, Easter, or any service where you want to put strong visual emphasis on a word or a name, they give you a polished, broadcast quality look without leaving ProPresenter. For more ProPresenter training, check out the other tutorials in this series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.